Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 9th to the 13th of October 2023 on Monday. Lindy decides to finally face her traumatic past, but the reality of it shocks her. Flora thinks her dream is about to come true when the rug is suddenly yanked from under her feet on Tuesday. Lindy's plot against Handega backfires on Wednesday. The news of Veronica's tramp spread and Flora can't cope. Lindy decides to deal with an old family member on Thursday. Lindy struggled with dealing with the ghost of her past, while Veronica discovers that her mission might be met with more resistance than she anticipated on Friday. Lindy and her family navigate very murky waters. Veronica gets her bread buttered on both sides. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.